Hey there. Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of diets that just don't work? Tired of cravings, energy crashes, and that stubborn scale? What if I told you there's a way to flip the switch, burn fat for fuel, crush cravings, and unlock unstoppable energy? Welcome to Nourish to Flourish HQ. In this video, we break down the ketogenic diet, the game changer for weight loss, mental clarity, and vibrant health. In just a few minutes, you'll discover how keto works, why it's not another fad, and how to start today without starving or sacrificing flavor. Are you ready to transform your body and mind? Let's dive in. Have you ever felt like you're running on empty, constantly battling that stubborn number on the scale, struggling to push through a mental fog that just won't lift? Or started a diet full of hope, only to end up frustrated, hungry, and right back where you started? It's a feeling many of us know all too well. We try diet after diet, join the gym with good intentions, but somehow we end up back in the same old cycle, tired, frustrated, and searching for a real solution that actually sticks. But what if there was a different way? What if I told you there's a powerful, proven path to not just lose weight, but to unlock incredible energy, achieve crystal clear focus, and genuinely transform your health from the inside out? And what if this path wasn't about endless deprivation, but about nourishing your body with delicious, satisfying foods? Welcome to the channel. I'm Ian, and here at Nourish to Flourish HQ, we understand your challenge. Life is complicated enough without adding complex, stressful diets into the mix. We've spent years immersed in wellness, trying everything under the sun, and what we discovered about the ketogenic diet fundamentally changed our lives, and the lives of hundreds we've had the privilege to guide. This isn't just about weight loss. It's about reclaiming your vitality, feeling amazing, and living your best life. And trust us, it's simpler, more satisfying, and less stressful than you might imagine. We're here to simplify keto, make it work for you, and help you flourish. Stay to the end of the video, and we'll share a free special keto bonus to help you on your journey. So let's dive in. What exactly is the ketogenic diet? Maybe you've heard of it before, but never really looked into it. At its heart, it's a beautifully simple concept. Drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake, moderate your protein, and embrace healthy fats. Think of your body like a car. Traditionally, it runs on gasoline, that's glucose, which comes from the carbs you eat. It's a quick-burning fuel, and when you run out, you crash. But what if you could train your car, your body, to run on a super-efficient, long-burning fuel, like diesel? That's what happens when you switch to fat-burning mode, a metabolic state called ketosis. When you cut back on carbs, your liver starts breaking down fat into tiny molecules called ketones. These ketones become your body's preferred, cleaner, and more stable fuel source. Imagine tapping into your own stored body fat, yes, that stubborn belly fat, those love handles, as a constant energy supply. This means sustained energy, fewer hunger pangs, and a body that's literally optimized to burn fat all day long. Most people naturally enter this fat-burning state, ketosis, within just 2 to 7 days by keeping their net carb intake under 50 grams per day. This metabolic shift is the secret sauce behind keto's incredible results. If the information in this video so far sounds interesting, and you feel we are providing value, please consider supporting the channel by liking and subscribing for many more potentially life-changing videos. While the idea of rapid fat loss is certainly a powerful motivator, the benefits of embracing a ketogenic lifestyle stretch far beyond the scale. First, let's talk about sustainable weight loss. By switching your body to fat-burning mode, you're no longer subject to the roller coaster of blood sugar spikes and crashes that lead to intense cravings and constant hunger. Instead, healthy fats and moderate protein keep you feeling incredibly full and satisfied, naturally reducing your overall calorie intake without feeling like you're starving. This isn't a quick fix, it's a fundamental metabolic reset. Then there's the incredible energy boost. Say goodbye to the dreaded 3 p.m. slump, that feeling of needing another coffee or sugar hit just to make it through the afternoon. When your body runs on ketones, you experience consistent, all-day energy that feels clean and sustainable. Your brain, too, absolutely loves ketones. Many people report remarkable mental clarity, improved focus, and a significant reduction in brain fog. It's like a mental decluttering, allowing you to think sharper and concentrate better. Beyond that, the ketogenic diet is a powerful tool for blood sugar regulation. By dramatically reducing carbohydrate intake, you naturally stabilize your blood sugar levels, which is incredibly beneficial for overall metabolic health and can be life-changing for those managing conditions like type 2 diabetes. We've also seen incredible improvements in appetite control. Those incessant sugar cravings that used to derail your efforts. They often fade into the background as your body becomes fat-adapted and no longer relies on that constant sugar hit. And let's not forget the anti-inflammatory benefits. A well-formulated keto diet, rich in whole, unprocessed foods and healthy fats, can help reduce systemic inflammation in the body, which is a silent contributor to many chronic health issues. This can translate to less pain, improved joint health, and just an overall feeling of well-being. Okay, so that's the science part out of the way. But what does eating keto actually look like? It's far from boring or restrictive, I promise you. It's about building satisfying meals around delicious, nutrient-dense foods. Your primary fuel source will be healthy fats. Think luscious avocados, rich extra virgin olive oil, creamy coconut oil, and delicious grass-fed butter or ghee. Don't be afraid of these. They are your energy source and what will keep you feeling full. For protein, focus on high-quality, unprocessed sources. This includes cuts of grass-fed beef, pastured chicken, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, which are also packed with those crucial omega-3s. Eggs, a true keto superfood, are your versatile go-to. When it comes to vegetables, load up on low-carb, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. Broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, zucchini, and bell peppers are also fantastic choices. These are packed with fiber and essential micronutrients without spiking your carb count. And yes, you can enjoy some full-fat dairy in moderation. Think cheeses, heavy cream, and unsweetened full-fat Greek yogurt. As for fruits, most are off limits due to their sugar content. But berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries can be enjoyed in small amounts. Now, what to avoid? This is where you become a detective, reading food labels carefully. The main culprits are all forms of sugar, hidden in so many processed foods. Grains, bread, pasta, rice, oats, corn, legumes, beans, lentils, starchy vegetables, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and most fruits. Steer clear of highly processed foods, sugary drinks, and anything labeled low-fat, as it often means high sugar. It might seem like a big shift at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll discover a world of incredibly satisfying and delicious meals. All right, you're excited, you're ready. So how do you actually get started? It's simpler than you think, but a little preparation goes a long way. First, get clear on your macros. Don't worry, macros is just a fancy word to describe the proportion of carbs, fats, and protein, or macronutrients in your diet. Use an online keto calculator to figure out your personalized daily targets. Roughly 70 to 75% of your calories from healthy fats, 20 to 25% from protein, and a strict 5 to 10% from net carbohydrates, aiming for under 20 to 50 grams net carbs per day. This step is crucial for success. Next, it's time for a pantry overhaul. Seriously, go through your kitchen and remove all those tempting, high-carb foods. If it's not there, you can't eat it. Then, stock your kitchen with all those delicious keto-friendly essentials we just talked about. Meal planning, especially for your first week, will be your best friend. Map out your breakfasts, lunches, and dinners, and consider doing some meal prep on the weekend to make weekdays a breeze. Perhaps the most important tip for a smooth transition is hydration and electrolytes. When you cut carbs, your body sheds a lot of water, and with it, essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. This imbalance is often the culprit behind the dreaded keto flu. So, drink plenty of water and actively supplement with electrolytes. Bone broth is also fantastic. In the beginning, track your macros diligently using an app. This isn't forever, but it helps you learn portion sizes and understand exactly what you're eating. Most importantly, be patient with yourself and listen to your body. The transition takes a few days, and any initial discomfort is temporary as your body adapts. Consistency is key. No journey worth taking is without its bumps in the road, and the keto journey is no different. The most common challenge newcomers face is the keto flu. This isn't a true flu, but a temporary set of symptoms like headaches, fatigue, irritability, and sometimes muscle cramps. As we discussed, it's almost always due to electrolyte imbalance. The fix? Double down on your water intake and supplement those electrolytes. It typically passes within a few days to a week. Another common hurdle is a weight loss stall. It happens to everyone. If you hit a plateau, reevaluate your macros. Are hidden carbs sneaking in? Are you overeating protein? Consider incorporating intermittent fasting to boost fat burning. Sometimes your body just needs a little extra nudge. Social situations and eating out can also feel daunting at first, but with a little planning, it's totally manageable. Look for grilled meats, big salads with high-fat dressings, and don't be afraid to ask for modifications. Focus on the company, not just the food. As for cravings, they usually disappear once you're fat adapted. But if they pop up, ensure you're eating enough healthy fats and whole foods. A pinch of sea salt, a cup of herbal tea, or a square of 90% dark chocolate can often do the trick. Lastly, food boredom can creep in if you stick to the same few meals. Get creative. There's a vibrant online keto community sharing thousands of delicious recipes, from keto pizzas to decadent desserts. Experiment and discover new favorites. Ultimately, the ketogenic diet is a powerful tool, but it's just one piece of the puzzle for true holistic health. To really supercharge your results and make this a sustainable lifestyle, integrate other crucial elements. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. It's often overlooked, but sleep deprivation can sabotage your hormones, making weight loss incredibly difficult. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your body and metabolism. Incorporate mindfulness, meditation, yoga, or simply spend time in nature. Find what helps you unwind and make it a non-negotiable part of your day. And of course, move your body. You don't need to become a gym fanatic, but regular physical activity, whether it's walking, strength training, or dancing, complements a ketogenic lifestyle beautifully and boosts your overall well-being. Finally, cultivate a positive mindset. View this as a long-term journey towards a healthier, happier you, not a temporary diet. Celebrate every small victory, be kind to yourself on off days, and always remember your why. The goal is not just to reach a certain number on the scale, but to cultivate a body and mind that truly serve you, empowering you to live a vibrant, energetic, and fulfilling life. So whether you're starting keto for the first time or coming back after a break, welcome. You're choosing a path that's not just about losing weight, it's about gaining life, gaining control, gaining freedom from diets that don't work. You're about to feel better than you felt in years, and it all starts right here, right now, with one simple choice. Eat smart, fuel your body, trust the process. This is keto, and it just might change your life. Well done for making it to the end of the video. You now have a solid foundation to embark on your very own ultimate keto transformation. As a special bonus for watching all the way through, click the link in the bio and download our free 141-page ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Keto. This guide provides a complete step-by-step guide that holds your hand through every stage, including detailed meal plans, incredible recipes that will make your taste buds sing, practical troubleshooting tips, and advanced strategies to maximize your results. This comprehensive resource is packed with everything you need to succeed, simplifying the journey and ensuring you have all the tools for lasting change. Don't let another day go by feeling less than your best. The power to transform your health, your energy, and your confidence is truly within your reach. Click the link in the description to get your copy of The Ultimate Guide to Keto today and start your incredible transformation. If this video resonated with you, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness insights, and share it with anyone who deserves to experience their own ultimate keto journey. Thank you for joining me, and here's to your health, your energy, and your amazing transformation.